Hi all, my name is Shazwan Zaim. I am application engineer in Advantech Malaysia. Today I would like to present to you all about Advantech computing device solution. Today this is the my content to share to you. First about the industrial PC and server, industrial panel PC, embedded PC, and the lastly is PC based controller. Data compute is all about describe concept and object related to software computation. It is generic term used to reference processing power, memory, networking, storage, and other resources required for the computational success of any program. Hence, the goal is to use in the decision making to find area where company can improve production, reduce waste, and increase overall productivity. Industrial server and industrial IPC. Okay, the problem statement that I will show to you is about the if customer require more PCIe slot, and they want to customer have problem on the customization on the hardware selection, and also they want the monitoring system with their PC. So I would like to suggest they use our industrial IPC to overcome their problem. We have many types of PC chassis design. This design have Advantech manufacturer has been divided by many form factor. As you can see, this is the rack mount 4U. We have rack mount 4U. 4U means the width of the chassis itself. Also, we have the chassis tower, and lastly, we have wall mount desktop chassis. All these form factor actually depend on the customer use and depend on their machine capability of in term of space. Advantech also offer three types of motherboard design, which is we have the compact design, scalability design, and lastly we have the mainstream design. All this design is manufactured by Advantech. It is because it's easy to us to troubleshoot and give technical support to the customer. And all this motherboard, it will be compatibility with Advantech chassis and fully validated to from there, and to ensure the capability is meet the requirement. Also, the Advantech motherboard also align with the Intel roadmap technology. Together with the Advantech motherboard is built in with IBMC. IBMC is meaning customer can monitoring their PC status through Advantech device on software. So with monitoring system, customer can monitoring the PC temperature, monitoring the PC status. Also, customer also can remote in to do troubleshooting on their PC. Furthermore, we also provide Sky server as the PC server to our customer. Basically, in Advantech, we have four main types of the server types computer, which is Sky 6000 series, Sky 7000 series, Sky 8000 series, and lastly Sky 9000 series. Each of these series will have their own capability and their own benefit. For next one, we also have the server motherboard to be customized, followed by user application. The advantage that Advantech provide to the customer, of course, the server is have the long life. Also, customer also can custom their server PC based on their request. Generally, we have two type of server. First is open standard server. Second is Sky server. Open standard server means customer can choose their chassis, which is the HPC chassis, together with the server motherboard. The server motherboard also have their own model, 7, 8 and 9, depend on their usage. The next one is the Sky server, also have four series that I mentioned before. Each four have their own capability. For example, for 6000 have the for the GPU, 5000 is the for the multi-node server, and Sky 7000 for the Advantech standard server for the cloud solution, and lastly is the carrier grade server to telecom domain and telecom infrastructure. Move on to embedded IPC. Advantech offer the embedded PC solution to the customer. The problem that I can say, mostly the customer put the machine with the limited space in the machine and the premises, then the embedded PC is the solution to customer to use in their factory. Also, with the embedded PC, customer also can customize variety of the IPC hardware. For example, DisplayPort, LAN port, and other PCI slot. As we can see, this is the example that embedded IPC family that we have in Advantech. For first one, we have the MIC. For the information, MIC is the new revolution of fanless IPC with flexible and expandability design, which is using the iModule. Next slide, I will explain more on the iModule. Next is the AIIS. AIIS is the base from the machine vision. Also, this PC is compliance with the camera eco partners such as Basler, Point Grey, and IAG Quartz. And the lastly is the AIMC. AIMC also we have is the in the compact size. We have the fan base or fanless. It depend on the customer. It also operating with high CPU and have the very flexible expansion. Let me introduce MIC 7 series. As we know, MIC is our new fanless IPC. Then it has the rugged design. Its design is very compact and support wide operating temperatures. Also, users can choose whether what the processor they want to use from Atom to Xeon. Then we have iModule to expand their PC. Then it's up to 20 standard PCIe lanes for customer use. Then also it also support GPU card. If customer want to add on the DisplayPort, they can use the IDO. It also can support Flex IO. Okay, this is the example for the iModule that Advantech offer. Actually, the difference between the iModule is the PCI slot quantity. Is you can see the quantity is different for each submodule. Also, this one is the latest one. It support 2 pieces GPU in one times. Okay, this one for the AMC series. AMC series, we have three system over here. Okay, for the AMC 20000J, using the Atom performance, and their expandability also very less compared to AMC 3422. For the CPU performance comparison, as we know, AMC is using Atom SoC. The performance is very low compared to the IMC 3002 was using i5 CPU. It's very have the high rating. Next, we have AIIS, which is AIIS is the PC that use it for mostly for the camera. Also, this PC have the compliant camera version partner. As you can see, this is the partner that collab with Advantech. Also, AIS also can accept the expandability for the IDOR and PCI Express. For the IDOR, include the LAN port, Wi-Fi module, and the display module. That also offer industrial panel PC to user to compute their data on their premise. For the quick problem statement that I can share to you, if customer using the mainstream software requirements such as Siemens, WinCC, TIA Portal, and Rockwell software, then is the second is the high connectivity, such as demand for connection with multiple devices requiring high processing power, for example PLC and RTU. Lastly, for the problem that I face is this customer using the heavy loading operation. It is because severally customer will run simultaneous software for SCADA, HMI, and RP ATC. Okay, for this picture, you can see this is the panel PC that Advantech offer to the user. Okay, Advantech HMI and panel PC series contain high performance touch panel PC, low power industrial thin client, web terminal, domain HMI, and industrial monitor for smart factory application. It's covering multiple industrial touch panel size and rich I/O expansion to meet industrial standard. As you can see, for the Edge Intelligent HMI, we have TPC 5000 series, TPC 300, SPC, TPC 200 series, FPM. All these we support our third party. As you can see, for the HMI in edge computing application, our product support third party solution provider for Microsoft, Azure, Amazon. Also, we have Advantech bypass and so on. Generally, Advantech HMI and panel PC series contain high performance touch panel, low power industrial, web terminal, domain HMI, and industrial monitor for smart factory application. It's covering multiple industrial touch panel size and rich I/O expansion to meet industrial standard. There are several advantages that we are offer to the customer, such as control panel series are high performance industrial PC, which are PC-based automation, control platform supporting the process visualization. Then the web browser terminal serves as a web terminal, featuring the visualization and field bus support that operate across wide temperatures. Modular HMI allows the computing box module to be interchangeability combined with different size display module for a specific application. And lastly, industrial monitor integrate the latest LCD touchscreen technology to facilitate data visualization used for industrial application. For generally, this is a product compelling features that our panel PC offer. Firstly, we built in TPM 2.4 hardware security. The operating temperature is very good, negative 10 to 55 Celsius. Gases and have the ground installation built in. Customer also can choose what the processor they are needed on the application, and the RAM is up to 64 gig for DDR4. For the size, customer can select about from 12.1 inch to 24 inch. It has also various I/O ports for connectivity. Also, they are M.2 for Wi-Fi, 4G and 5G, and also we have a mini PCIe for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and SIM card slot. Okay, the last but not least, for the Advantech also offer PC-based controller for customer to compute their data. The problem statement that I can share to you based on the real case, easily user having slow data integration for PSC and cloud. Somehow user requires more DIDO expansion, and user require wide operation technology in one time. Okay, from this picture you can see this is the that I mentioned before. If this PC-based controller can support wide operation, which is wireless, AI interface, PoE, camera, field bus master, and RS232 and PCI Express, so on. In detail, MX 5000 is PC-based embedded automation system which codices ready for logic and motion control. It's mainly to bridge the IT and OT to speed up the digital transformation in smart factory. With the EtherCAT and field side I/O become communication based with the real time and synchronized distributed clock. It's not only can support the EtherCAT driver for motion but also for I/O logic sensing. Okay, this is the mount, the rail mount for the MX. It is actually as embedded PC designed for DIN rail mounted application in control cabinet. In the small size, it's just width of 2 ADM. Our designer has integrated a powerful dual core CPU unit in range from Core i7 to Celeron. With using for this MX 5000, it will save more space because it will use very small space at the cabinet. Okay. For on the right hand side, through the EtherCAT communication protocol, user can have up to 65,000 addressing capability for EtherCAT slave module. Also, on the left hand side, it reserves PCIe resource for the expansion of PC peripheral such as COM port, CAM port, camera, and wireless communication solution. One thing need to be mentioned, the nearest slot have PCIe 4 resources, while the other slot only has PCIe times 1 resource. For some module need more bandwidth can install in the slot for full functionality support. In the control cabinet, if user would like to increase system availability, they usually set up an extra backup power beside the main power input. MX 5000 equip dual input for them wired in both power input easily. Also, to prevent the noise interference from the field side component to affect the main system, MX 5000 is designed with the independent power to separate the CPU and I/O modules. The 24 volt direct current power input will only supply to MX 5000 left hand side PCIe modules. For EtherCAT I/O, the power input need to be wired through MX 5001 smart power input module. This power module not only can supply up to 20 modules towards the right side, but also can provide diagnostic function for power quality monitoring. Okay, as you can see, this is the /IO module series that MX 500 offers. So now we already have product in different category, including digital input, analog input output, temperature input, and position measurement. These all types, customer need to verify what they need before they get to their actual application. Thank you. That's all.